my name is Alain Boisvert from Inaxsys. Today we are here I want to present to you our new kits, LGNXK kits. And what I'm going to do is do an unboxing and show you and speak about what's included in the kit, what the advantages are. And also please, while we're here, don't forget to subscribe. We need those subscribers. So let's get right into it and let's unbox this kit. What I'm looking at right now actually is 6 cameras with 1 NVR, an 8-channel NVR, again NDA compliant. They are 4 megapixel cameras and they have a whole bunch of other features in there which I'll talk about. So let's open it up and see. Oops, I got caught. All right, so first item I'm going to take out is these cameras. So basically they, like I said, they're 4 megapixel turrets. You've got 6 of them in the kit, which if you guys don't really need 6 cameras, it doesn't really matter. You should actually buy it because there's a price advantage when we bundle things together, which is not a bad idea. And maybe the extra cameras that you have on a job, just keep them and use them for the next job. Let's open it up here and see what it looks like. All right, so you got a nice little message from Inaxsys saying you're NX Legend by Inaxsys. Obviously the manual, which probably nobody's going to be looking at. One thing I want to mention about the kits is basically it's a plug and play kit. So there's not really much to program. Even the IP addresses of all the cameras go directly into, it's the NVR that generates that. We have QR codes on the software that one is for the app, so it generates on your phone, you get the app. Secondly, it's peer-to-peer communication, so there's no IP address that you have to set in the client's router. It just goes directly to a server and comes back onto the app or the VMS that comes with it. So peer-to-peer communication is very convenient. Let's have a look here. So obviously inside the box you get everything that's needed, the screws, the little template for the installation, some grommets for your connections. It's a bit tight. All right. Here we go. So this is what the camera looks like. Again, 4 megapixel camera. There's no plastic besides the actual backing of the camera, which is the I guess the bracket that holds the eyeball in place. So you can turn this eyeball 360 up and down, any direction possible is okay. It's got a LED here, so I think it's IR and LED directly on the camera itself, right below the lens. Again, 4 megapixel. There's a mic on board. The great thing about these cameras, small footprint, easy to install, just 3 screws in the back. And secondly, there's also, I mentioned the mic, but there's also classification of humans and vehicles, which is great. You don't have to, you don't have to record 24/7. Although when you plug it in, the NVR automatically puts everything to recording. You don't, without programming anything, it's 24/7. If you want just on motion, you need to go in there and set it up. But just on motion and vehicle or human classification, it's great, easy. It's just a checkbox really to check off, and that's what you would receive as information onto the NVR. Okay, so you get 6 of these cameras directly in the kit. Very easy to transport too at your distributor of choice. They have these in stock. Take it off the floor, show up at the counter, and get it out the door pretty quickly. Let me see what else there is here. So those are the cameras. Let me take out the NVR and see what it looks like. Okay, so 8-channel NVR. It's all PoE. Basically, there's nothing else to add. Let's see what we got here in the box. So basically the manual, power cord, the power supply for the NVR, and we also give you guys a mouse, basically. So there's no keypad necessary for the NVR. It's a virtual keypad within the GUI of the NVR. This is a wired mouse. I mean, you can actually not use it and just use a wireless mouse if you want. It's compatible, it's not a problem. Here's a little form factor for the NVR. Another thing I want to add is basically there's already a hard drive in here. It's already installed, already formatted. It's a 2 terabyte hard drive, so with 6 cameras or even 8 cameras, you'll easily get 30 days of recording, I would say. Okay, there's a calculation to be had, but I'm gonna say about 30 days. So let's look at it here. So we've got 8 PoE ports, so power and data to your camera, very easy. So 6 cameras come with the kit. You have 2 extra spaces to be able to add any cameras. You don't have to purchase this camera. You can use any of our cameras that, like a bullet form factor or a dome form factor, whatever is needed for the job, you can use anything you want. Something else here is a VGA port out, HDMI port out. They can work both together. The only thing is that you're going to see the same image from one to the other. You can't have one camera, like a spot monitor on one, and then your whole system on the other. So they're mirrored. You're going to see exactly the same thing. Input and output, for audio. And then of course a USB port and your Ethernet port to be able to get out to your router, peer-to-peer communication directly to a VMS or to your app. Pretty much that's it. There's even a USB port in the front here, which is convenient probably to put your mouse. You can also have the mouse in the back. Of course, to extract recordings, you need the USB key. You can extract recordings right in here, directly on the NVR, or of course you can extract on the app itself or on the free VMS as well. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, perhaps we have everything on our website for more details and more specifications, both for the NVR and the cameras. And reach out anytime to our sales staff, by email, by phone. And some of our distributors already know, of course, that we have these available. Thank you for listening. Welcome.
If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and click subscribe on our channel so you don't miss future content.